Hi, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back with my last video about my Concord and Nice virtual craft retreat. It was a 2-day virtual retreat with 6 classes. This was the 6th class. And then I'll go over I have one lost card that I forgot to share, as well as all the cards that I made so you can see everything in one go. This actually was my least favorite product, I think. I don't really see myself using this very much or again, but I could be wrong because sometimes that happens. This was done with Christina Werner, so that was fun. And we made 2 moving cards. Or 1 moving card and 1 not moving card. So those are the 2 cards. And so we used this product and the stamp set. And it's just not my jam. So I don't know. It's not my jam. But that's okay. So the first card we made is this one right here, which I think is very pretty. It's a little fussy to put together, but it's okay. And then you just pull here. And it says, "Oh, happy day." I just put that back in. So that part's kind of cool. And it's got 2 different stamp sets that fit. The little words fit on there, so on the little cake slice. And so there's that. And then here's this one without the moving piece, but just the cake. And so it just says, "Let's eat cake." And that one is just done on pattern paper. So those were the cards that we made. Here is the lost card. I forgot to share this one. So this is "Oh, Happy Day." And this one utilizes the Turnabout stamp set that we got in our kit. It also I used the lost stamp. So there's a stamp in there of this sort of heart flowers. That's a separate stamp. And so I used that along with the stamp and die that came in the kit as well. So, or that came in that particular bundle. I used that. So, but anyway, all the cards that I made, including all the bonus cards. So I'm going to pull all of them out so that we can see them all. And it's a lot. So let's see, how many cards did I make? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I made 27 cards this weekend. So in fairness, on Friday, I spent like 2 hours cutting everything. And then I did the classes. And so I was pretty prepared because most things were cut out. I was pretty prepared to do these classes, and then I used leftover bits and bobs to make things that utilize the product. So just a quick sort of recap of the cards that I made. First class used is a very, I think, masculine cards using this sort of landscape stamp and die that came in our kit. And so these were the cards that I made with that. And then the second class, I believe, if I'm doing this right, was this class, which used this large sort of celebrate die, and used it for shaker. So the 2 cards we made in the class was this large slimline shaker and then this balloon shaker. And then I made this black celebrate rainbow card. And then I made this card as well with sort of that stuff. So that was the second one that I made. And then class 3, I believe it was this one. I think it was this one. So this one I made all of these. So the ones we made in the class was this one. We made this one and this little one. And then I made these. So that was fun. And then let's see, class 4 was this class right here, which, oh, here they are. I'm like, I know I made other cards, and I did. So the cards that we made in the class was this gatefold one and this slimline, using mainly a die stamp set. And then I made these 2 cards, this one and this one. And then class number 5 was this fruit stencil class. And so these were the 2 cards we made, the You're a Peach and the Thanks a Melon. And then I made this card and this card on my own. And then the last class, I made these 2 cards. So it was a bonanza of card making. And do I think it was worth it? Absolutely. Will I do this event again, the camping event, if they offer it again? I absolutely will do it. It was well worth it. We got a lot of really quality products, quality instructors, a really, really nice put together kit, really well thought out. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.